Hello dear students, so today we are going to learn about the lesson called dates to remember from your GK book. Okay, so in this lesson we need to learn about some important dates and why do we celebrate them. There is a table given in this lesson that we have to match the date. We have to match the day with the date of celebration. Okay, so there is given that match the day with the date of celebration. So number one is World Environment Day. When do we celebrate World Environment Day? We celebrate World Environment Day on the 5th June of every year. So we have to match World Environment Day with 5th June. Okay. Number two is Labor Day. When do we celebrate Labor Day? We celebrate Labor Day on the 1st May of every year. So we have to match Labor Day with 1st May. Next comes the Independence Day. Everyone knows about Independence Day? Yes? When do we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate Independence Day on the 15th of August of every year. So we have to match Independence Day with 15th August. Then comes the next Republic Day. And as Independence Day, everyone knows about Republic Day also. Yes. So when do we celebrate Republic Day? We celebrate Republic Day on the 26th of January of every year. So we have to match Republic Day with 26th of January. Okay. So next comes the Gandhi Jayanti. What is Gandhi Jayanti? Why do we celebrate it? Because in this day Mahatma Gandhi was born. Okay. And why do we celebrate Independence Day? Because India got its independence from the British. So when do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October of every year. So we have to match Gandhi Jayanti with 2nd October. Number 6 is Earth Day. When do we celebrate Earth Day? Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April every year. So we have to match Earth Day with 22nd April. World Health Day. When do we celebrate World Health Day? We celebrate World Health Day on 7th April of every year. So we have to match World Health Day with 7th April. Then comes the number 8, National Sports Day. National Sports Day of India. National Sports Day of India. When do we celebrate National Sports Day? We celebrate National Sports Day on the 29th of August every year. So we have to match National Sports Day with 29th August. Okay. So in the bottom of the page, there is a little information given to us. That is, Children's Day is celebrated on different days in various countries. So, in our country, we celebrate Children's Day in which date? We celebrate Children's Day on 14 November. Yes, but in other countries, it can be different. Okay, in Japan, it is celebrated on 5th May, and in Russia and China, it is celebrated on 1st June. So the Children's Day that we celebrate on 14th November. In Japan, it is celebrated on 5th May, and in Russia and China, it is celebrated on 1st June. So these were the contents of this lesson. That's to remember. Please read it carefully, read it nicely, and please remember it because it is very important for all of you to remember it. Okay. So I hope all of you have understood it, and I will give your homework in your WhatsApp group. Thank you.